Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monayak. Today I need to discuss some problem of inverse trigonometry function. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. The question is given solve. Solve means we have to find the value of x. The question is tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, we can use here the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, this formula we can use here. So this is equal to tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 divide 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse LCM. You see x minus 2 x plus 2, this is LCM. Okay, this is your LCM. Okay, here you can get x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divide, here also LCM how much, x minus 2 x plus 2, you can get here x minus 2 x plus 2 minus x minus 1 x plus 1, okay, is equal to pi by 4. Here the LCM x minus 2 x plus 2, here x minus 2 x plus 2, these two will cancel out. Then tan inverse, this is x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x plus 2x minus 2 plus x into x, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 divide, here x square minus 4 minus x square minus 1 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, then tan inverse, you see minus 2x plus 2x will cancel out, plus x minus x will cancel out, this is 2x square plus x square 2x square minus 2 minus 4 divide x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1, okay, plus x square minus x square cancel out is equal to pi by 4, implies tan inverse 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, okay, minus 3 is equal to pi by 4. We can write tan inverse 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to tan pi by 4. Okay, so tan inverse will cancel out, then this is equal to 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3, this is equal to 2x square minus 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3, okay, 2x square is equal to 1, x square is equal to 1 by 2, then x is equal to how much, root over 1 by 2 plus or minus root over 1 by 2, x is equal to half, x is equal to 1 by root 2, x is equal to 1 by root 2 and x is equal to minus 1 by root 2. This is your answer. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, tan inverse 1 by 2x plus 1 plus tan inverse 1 by 4x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 2 by x square. So here I can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, this is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2x plus 1 1 by 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 4x plus 1 divide 1 minus 1 by 2x plus 1 into 1 by 4x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 2 by x square. Okay, implies tan inverse. This is equal to, the LCM is equal to how much? 2x plus 1 into 4x plus 1. So this is equal to 4x plus 1 plus 4x plus 1, this is equal to 2x plus 1 divide, here LCM also 2x plus 1 4x plus 1. Okay, here 2x plus 1 into 4x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to tan inverse 2 by x square. These two will cancel out. Okay, therefore tan inverse implies tan inverse 4x plus 2x 6x plus 2 6x plus 2, here 2x into 4x 8x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 1, 8x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to tan inverse 2 by x square. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out. Tan inverse will cancel out from both sides. Otherwise we can write 6x plus 2 divide 8x square plus 6x is equal to 2 by x square. Okay, then you cross multiply, you can get 2 into 3x plus 2 3x plus 1 by 2 into 4x square plus 3x is equal to 2 by x square. 2 will cancel out. Then you cross multiply, 3x plus 1 into x square is equal to 2 into 4x square plus 3x. Okay, this is equal to how much? 3x cube plus x square is equal to 8x square plus 6x 8x square plus 6x. So this is equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 8x square minus 6x is equal to 0 is equal to 3x cube minus 7x square minus 6x is equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to how much? I can factorize it. 6392. Okay, so we can write 3x square 3x cube minus 9x square plus 2x square minus 6x is equal to 0. Okay, 3x square will taking common, this is equal to x minus, this is equal to how much? 3 plus 2 x taking common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, x minus 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0. That means x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x square plus 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, or here taking common x, that is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0, or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or 3x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, so we can get the value x is equal to 3. You write here x is equal to 3. Now we can get the value x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 0, or 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here 3x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. In this equation x cannot be minus 2 by 3. So in this equation x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So we can get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 0. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square plus 2 tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to pi by 3. So this is equal to 3 sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, that is 3, this is 2 tan inverse, this is tan inverse x. Okay, this is 2 tan inverse x minus 4, and this is 2 tan inverse x. Again this is 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. You see sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, that is 2 tan inverse x, cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. You see sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Similarly, cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, this is equal to 2 tan inverse x. This is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay, so here I have written sin, in this place I have written 2 tan inverse x, here 2 tan inverse, here 2 tan inverse x. Okay, this is equal to 6 tan inverse x minus 4 minus 8. Okay, 8 tan inverse x. This is 4 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. Is equal to how much? 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 8, 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 3. Okay, 2 tan inverse x is equal to how much? Tan inverse. Okay, tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 3 by 2, that is pi by 6. Okay, tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6 is equal to, you take here 10 tan inverse x is equal to 10 pi by 6. This is equal to x. 10 tan inverse will cancel out. 10 pi by 6 is equal to how much? Pi by 6, that is 60, that is 30. Okay, 10 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So the value of is equal to 1 by root 3. So here x is equal to 1 by root 3. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, cot inverse 1 by x minus 1 plus cot inverse 1 by x plus cot inverse 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 is equal to cot inverse 1 by 3x. You know the formula, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse, cot inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, here I can convert it into tan inverse x. This is equal to tan inverse x minus 1, this plus tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1, okay, is equal to tan inverse 3x, okay, tan inverse x minus 1 plus tan inverse x plus 1 is equal to, this will I take to right side, tan inverse 3x minus tan inverse x. This is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, so I can use the formula. This is equal to tan inverse x plus x minus 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to, here tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula can use, tan inverse 3x minus x by 1 minus 3x into x, okay, is equal to, you see tan inverse will cancel out, minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out, this is 2x by 1 minus, this is x square minus 1, okay, is equal to 3x minus x, that is 2x by here plus, okay, 3x minus 1 by 1 plus 3x into x, that is 1 plus 3x square, okay, 2x will cancel out, implies 2x will cancel out, 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3x square, okay, implies cross multiply, we can get 1 plus 3x square is equal to, you see, 2 minus x square, okay, 2 minus x square minus 1, so this is equal to 3x square minus x plus x square is equal to 2 minus 1, okay, that is 4x square is equal to 1, 4x square is equal to 1, x square is equal to 1 by 4, okay, x is equal to root over plus or minus root over 1 by 4, therefore x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2, x is equal to half or x is equal to minus half. This is the value of x, okay, pause the video, note it down.